Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. So go ahead. Anyway, over here we do hybrid budgeting, which means I do a lot of digital budgeting, but I also track my expenses on paper. So, best of both worlds. Like I said, your budget and your budgeting style is your own. You have to do what works for you. So, today we'll be closing out the final paycheck of July, which is nice because today is August 1st. Happy August, y'all! It is my birthday month and a lot of people's birthday month, honey. I've seen a lot of people been like, it's my birthday. I think Caprita's birthday, Tammy's birthday, Cassie's birthday, like my birthdays, okay? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Okay, let me stop. Let's get to work, okay? Let's get to work. So first things first, Tara, needs to do the budget. Let's go into our main account and make sure everything has cleared. So if you're new here, if I'm looking at this particular budget right now, the last of July, like the last Mohicans, and all I'm trying to do is make sure everything that is not bright green right now becomes bright green by the time we check the entire bank. You can see there's not much, and I can already tell we're close. So let me change this to 0 so that we show a full balance, and this needs to go over here. And I will go ahead and make this yellow just so we know what we're really working with. Okay, so let's get started over here. I can't see my buttons. Okay. All right, so let's start here. The last thing we did was move some money to our Life's a Beast challenge when we finished it last time. Whoop, whoop, July challenge is done. We're excited. So I see that $1 came out for my Navy Federal. Amazing. So we'll go ahead and mark that bright green. And then we have $43.20 that was paid to the credit card because that is for our security equipment right here. Right here, that comes off the card. So boom, that can be bright green. Then I see 233 for my Nissan. So we'll scroll back down and we'll make that also bright green. I tried to make it a little larger over here, so hopefully it can help you see. Then I deposited $15 because we had talked about the $15 that I was treating myself with to get that like wellness book situation, that ebook. Y'all, I got it and I did not like it. And I emailed the person to see if maybe I could switch out, but I haven't heard back from them. They are on different time zone. But I might send another email because baby, no. And I should have known better because I'm super picky. But it wasn't even like actual recipes. It was like a chart of things. I might want to get into it. I was not happy about it. So it did. That's why I moved it out, and you'll see it came out of PayPal right there. So those zero each other out. And then we have the mortgage that came out 1183.62. So that can be green. Then we have an in and out of 280. This has to do with the cash envelope money for August that I took out, and then I moved from Hold Your Horses and then took it out at the ATM. Again, it zeroed out, and $23 was added into CVS money because we paid the credit card some things. So I guess we can add that. We will add $23, and then that $23 actually went to pay some bills on the Capital One and the Saver card. So where is my debt section? So if the Saver was owed $10 and the Capital One was owed 13, and that's 10 plus 13 is 23. We'll make those green as well. I think that's all from this check. Let's see, is anything not green? So take a look now. Green, 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 green. Everything is green. Let's make sure everything else kind of zeroes out. So So there's a $23 in there, the two payments I was telling y'all about that we just put down. And there's a $15 that I paid for that book that I'm not super happy about. And we also got 3 cents at the end of the month. So I'll add that into our miscellaneous interest. So I'll just add that 3 cents here. So it says we have a balance of $58.29. And if you look, we do have exactly $58.29. What I'm going to do with this money right now, y'all, is I'm going to split it where $30 is going to go to rude. $30 is going to go over to my cashless envelope money because y'all, the way that groceries, I can't $45 per week is not working for me. And it's just not. So I almost put the whole 50 and in my head I really should have. Really. But right now we're just gonna do this. And then the other rest is gonna go into success. $30 went into the groceries cashless envelope. So that leaves us with $28.29. Strangely enough, I think I'm going to put 29 cents in the buffer just because it needs to be revved back up and every little bit counts. So that is 29. Was it 29 cents? Yes, 29 cents. Boom, success. And then so that leaves us with exactly $28, or it should. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, yep, it leaves us with $28. And that $28 is going to go towards our savings challenge. Although it's technically July money, girl, the way that August is already looking, we will take what we can get, okay? All right, guys. So the rest are going to go to this August challenge. If you're new here or you haven't seen the August challenge, it's beautiful. It's something made by Cassie over SNC Budget Creations. It's very August Leo themed, but it's really cute. And the lady's beautiful. The lines, let's just all be fearfully and wonderfully made. Okay. So this one does come with 3 different options. The first option is you pick your own numbers and save. The second option is $70 saving. And the third option is $280. Me and my in the middle ground is going to be doing $70. So let's add up and see. We have $28. Let's count across, like, like how we read, like so, and see how far we can get. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus, oh my God, is that perfect or what? Hold on. So if I stop at this one, like going so, and stop at this one, I think we'll be at exactly 28. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1, I can't see, plus 1, move, plus 5 plus 3 plus 1, 28, perfect. So I actually do have the link will be down below, you guys, if you are interested in this. Okay, guys, so this is my actual paper one, which I'll keep track on. I got pretty far. Y'all, I can't do it. But I got pretty far, y'all can see, and we counted it together. So yeah, I think I only have like, $42 left now to save for the whole month of August, and we're on the 1st. But this month is going to be kind of tight, I believe, because I'm going on a mini vacation and all that, and I just want to have some money. If I can save more than 70, that would be ideal. Now, let's just go ahead and make sure we go ahead and move that money first. So we have $28 that needs to go to our monthly challenges. From here to our monthly challenge folder, monthly savings challenge. And this is at $28. And this is for August. Savings challenge. Success. Now we're at a zero-based budget. Now, if we go over into our thing, we're not showing zero yet. So let's update everything. So $28 also went into the savings challenge. So we'll add that to the note where 28 is to start August savings. Boom, that's great. And then we have 30 that went to cash envelope money for food. So So the cash envelope money section is here. Groceries, got an extra 40. I'm sorry, 30, I wish, 40. And then 29 cents went to build a buffer. So build a buffer got 29 cents. And we're now down to a zero-based budget. So we have done it, y'all. We're at zero. The account is at zero. Everything balances out. And I really want, before I leave, I just want to say, I hope you guys are doing this with me when I'm doing my closeouts or sitting down and doing yours, however you do it on paper or whatever it is. I want to encourage you to not just click on my video and watch it, but to click on my video and interact with it. Do what you need to do while you're watching me or listening to me do it. I know that Desiree does that a lot. She'll be like, oh, I'm doing my budget as I'm watching you, or a few people have mentioned, and I love that for us. I want us to be doing it as I'm doing it, because I want it to be a motivation not only for myself, but for you all to do something as well. I know sometimes you can watch me, and I've had people comment and be like, wow, your budget always ends up perfectly right. But baby, trust and know that it was not always like that. There was a lot of struggles in the beginning. You are never going to be the person you're watching. I just need you to try. So even watching me doing the cash stuffing, or watching me do the expense tracking, or watching me do my budget, don't worry about being perfect. Don't worry about being me. Be you and just do it. I just want you to start doing it. Okay. Off my soapbox, here I come. Anyway, guys, we're at Zero Based Budget. Video is done. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, and not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, 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 I always feel like Snoop Dogg when I do that. Anyway, bye. Jesse. Love you, mean it. Bye.